Hello Amazon.com, it's me, Beau coming to you today with my Toyota Corolla 2006. I have a replacement antenna, all fresh and clean. There's no corrosion on that whatsoever. And if we were to look at the other antenna, which is already on my car, you'll look very closely and look at all of that corrosion. Look, it's cracking, the housing is cracking. And whenever I go over a bump, it does this. And it wags like crazy because there's no support there. And you hear this on my car whenever I go over a bump because of this guy. So I got this little guy off of Amazon. It's just a generic little fellow, and this is how you replace it. Observe, look at this. So we unscrew this one and we throw that away. Very nice. And then we take this, make sure it's somewhat clean. Obviously we don't want any kind of residue in there. And then we are going to pop it on like so. And it just screws on, super, super easy. That took, what, 5 seconds to do? And then just kind of hand tighten that. We don't want it to be too tight, obviously, because we don't want it to strip anything. Very nice, and that looks pretty much the same, right? All right, let's go ahead and turn on the car and actually see if I get a signal, because the proof is in the pudding. Gonna do that and turn on the radio. FM, whoops, there we go. Let's just choose any station. Ooh, that sounds good, fantastic. Wow, 5 out of 5 stars. Highly recommended to get this little antenna. Boy, what a quick installation that was. Hopefully this is helpful in determining whether or not you should get an antenna and swap it out in your car. My name is Beau. See you later.